Hello, I'm Mrs. Medema, one of the teachers in 8th grade. I am the resource teacher, and I am just making this video to hopefully help parents who may not be as familiar with Schoology as other parents. So one thing about Schoology as a teacher is I have way more features than a student does. So I'm using my own student to help navigate a student view. So first I want to point out that several teachers may have additional resources on top of their list of monthly, weekly marking period folders. So for science class in particular, you're going to notice those resources at the top. And then some teachers are going to have a marking period folder, and some will wait for the marking period folder until towards the end of the marking period. Inside that folder is each week of the marking period. Again, depending on the teacher, some teachers provide it ahead of time, and some teachers will release the folder each week. So if I look, this week being the last week of the marking period, and I selected it, each week will have a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday folder. These are helpful because if a student was absent on Wednesday, let's say, if they opened the Wednesday folder, they'd be able to find exactly what was completed. Oftentimes, to the right of the screen, you'll notice upcoming, and that will tell you the assignments that will be due or upcoming due. So as long as the teachers created it in Schoology, you will see it in the upcoming. Once the due date has passed, it will move on. It also does move on even if the student did not submit something. So I will go to an example assignment, for example, the CER. And you're going to notice that I can see a submission. So here is the resource of the assignment, and then here is the submission off to here. If the student did not have a submission, then it would not have the blue information here that says submitted and or on time. You might also notice sometimes instead of the green on time, you might notice a late, and the late is because it was turned in past the student or teacher selected due date.